Soojin, what do people not know that they don't know?
So I think the people that I get to speak with, my prospective clients, they go into two groups. It's either the people who have no idea what estate planning is or what it does for them, or people who know everything about it, but it's usually incorrect. So I'll address the what people think they know, but then they really don't know. So the first one is easy for you ladies because you've heard me say it, the difference between a will and a trust. A will is always probated. A trust, the assets held in a trust will avoid probate. So probate is that court supervised proceeding. It's where the court gets to step in and say your assets are worth this much and these are the beneficiaries who should take this much. In order for that process, the California, we have statutory fees for attorneys who assist in that process. So a home is always, a real property is always probated. So let's say the average home price in Sacramento is 500,000. So we have an average estate price of 500,000. The statutory attorney's fees for that $500,000 estate is $13,000. If you could get an estate plan in the Sacramento area, let's say for an average of $3,000, if you would have just paid for the estate planning, you would have paid the $3,000, and your family would have been able to take care of the distribution outside of court. But because you did not, then it goes to probate, and then your family or your estate pays at least 4 times that amount for it to go through probate. And it's a very long process. The average probate is taking about a year to 3 years, depending on the complexity. That brings me to my next point of the preconception that estate planning is for a certain group of people. It's for the elderly. It's for after I've retired. It's for, I need to gather more stuff. I need more stuff in my estate for me to even create a trust. But that couldn't be the furthest from the truth because there is estate planning, a different kind of estate plan available for everybody. So let's say you're 25 and you've graduated from college, you're no longer on your parents' health benefits, and you're a legitimate adult. You're working, not at the highest paying job you'll ever have, but you're still working and you're an adult. Your parents are no longer allowed to or have authority to contact your financial institution or your mortgage company or your healthcare provider and gain any kind of access to any accounts that you hold. So young people need to plan for their incapacity because what if there is a bad car accident or there is a mental illness that deems you unfit, not sound to make those legal decisions, then you have to have that safety net set up so that your parents, if they're the ones that are the best fit, that they can step in and make those decisions for you. And then there's the young families with young children. Well, you would need both of those, the durable power of attorney, the advanced healthcare directive, to help in case of incapacity, but also they need a will because that's where you appoint legal guardianship for your minor children. And then you need the trust to pass the home to your children, avoiding probate. And then when those families grow up and now their children are grown and they don't need the legal guardianship portion of it anymore, but what if one of the children need a special needs trust because they have a mental illness or because they're receiving some kind of government benefits? There's lives, I mean, we all grow up and our children will grow up too, but our needs change and your estate planning should reflect those changes as well. So estate planning is for everybody. There is a certain type of estate planning specific for you, but that's what the attorney will advise you on. A will is always probated. Always, always, always probated. I just have a house. I just need a will. That's not the case. And probate is very expensive. Whoever is listening to this, watching this, if you could walk away with those 3 key takeaways, then I think that would be better for everybody.